what's up, y'all? It's June.up back with another video, man. And today I got something calling for y'all real quick. I got a light little vlog, and we're gonna go get some food, and basically I'm gonna eat it, but it's not gonna be no normal food. It's gonna be let me show y'all real quick. This Buffalo Wild Wings Blazing Challenge. I saw a bunch of TikToks about it. Let me let it focus real quick. Yeah, saw a bunch of little TikToks about it. They said the wings was mad hot, but it's not gonna be hot. So I'm gonna see what it's hitting for. I'm gonna see if it's really hot, and we're gonna do this little challenge. And with me and my brother, get in the can.
What's up, y'all? It's Zay, back again.
Yeah, so we're gonna do this challenge. We're gonna see who can eat the wings like the longest without drinking any water or like anything to drink. So yeah, I'm finna go pick up the wings, and I'll catch y'all over there. All right, y'all. We have Buffalo Wild Wings now. God dang. I see this dude. Right here, hold it.
What did the dude say?
I don't know, he said to wait for someone. I'm not eating inside, but take your order right now. I think I should have grabbed the mic, not gonna lie. I think I should have grabbed the mic, not gonna lie. It's inside the car. Yeah. I get the 20 wings with large fries, that combo.
Yeah. Do you want any sauces on that?
Yeah, can I get 15? Can I separate it, like the sauces?
Yeah.
Can I get 15 honey barbecue?
And you want that traditional, right?
Yeah. Okay. And then the rest 5, can I get the blazing knockout?
So you want 15 honey barbecue and then 5 blazing?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want any ranch and blue cheese with that?
Can I get ranch? Yeah.
You want fries, right?
Yeah.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
Total is $34.05.
Here, hold this. Yes, please.
That should be ready.
Alright, thank you. Alright, y'all, we waiting for the wings now. We stopped at a quick little Boba place. I've never had this before, so I don't know what it's about to hit for. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick behind the scenes. I know y'all be messing with the TikTok dance about me. I'm about to give y'all a quick behind the scenes. Hold this.
Page
what? Y'all, we back at the B-dubs now. It's loud in here. Yeah, I'm gonna do this TikTok. As for the food, which way am I gonna set this up? food, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we back from the Buffalo Wild Wings, and this is what I got from the that Boba place. Chai tea.
I got the same thing.
Yeah, we could tell you already drunk half of it.
I was thirsty, dude.
Alright, so we got the food right here. D-Dubs. Open it up. I can't open it.
We know.
Alright, so these the wings right here. Let me turn it up. Wait.
Some honey barbecue. This is the best thing at Buffalo Wild Wings, bro.
Nah, bro, that made my eyes burning for a little bit. No cap.
Gosh.
Bro, dang, how much sauce they put in this?
It's just soggy.
Oh, leave it right here.
It's just getting
God dang. It was mad ranches. Or? Yo, ranch is the best sauce. Wings, fries, anything.
Are we eating the whole wing or are we just taking a bite?
The whole wing.
There's 5 in there. No, there's 6.
3 each.
First pick. Mickey Mouse.
Bro, y'all, I cannot take spicy stuff, bro.
I'm not 3.
These drinks smell mad spicy.
Oh.
You gotta take a bite, dude.
Do we have like a trash can?
No, you have to eat it, dude.
Alright, so whoever could eat the most wings without juice, without nothing to drink.
Yeah.
No ranch either.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna eat it. I'll just see how it tastes.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Bro, yo. Bro, I'm crying, bro. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oh. Yeah, I'm not eating another one. What's that? Yeah, I'm not eating another one. What's that? But we can't be scary, bro. We gotta do another one.
Alright, dude.
Bro, but my lips is still burning, bro.
Look how much drink I got left though.
Bro, I was dead crying, y'all. Like, real tears going straight down.
I have no drink
Anyway.
left. No drink.
Yeah, bro.
Back at it with another one.
Alright, this round 2, y'all.
Round 2. Ooh. There's a high risk it goes in on your mouth.
Alright, take the bite.
Do it,
First.
you pump faked me last time.
I still bit it, though. Let's see your reaction first. No water.
Oh my. Not that bad. Bite yours, bro. What are you doing?
Wait, why are you shaking?
Bite yours.
But why are you shaking? I thought
Bite yours, bro.
it wasn't that bad.
Bite yours.
Oh, God, dude, are you crying?
Bite yours.
Well, yeah, bro, we shouldn't do it round 2, bro.
me a napkin. Bro, drinking that water is crazy.
I don't care, bro.
It's been in your room for like 3 days. Dude, come on, dude.
Chew my jaws on. I'm not eating another one.
You're not eating another one.
You can eat the rest.
I'm not eating another one either.
Nah, go on.
I'm not eating another one either.
Oh, no, hold on, y'all.
I'm secretly downstairs. I sneaked one of the blazing wings in the hot honey barbecue. So you won't know.
Alright, y'all. Yeah, bro, this is gonna turn to a mukbang because I'm not eating another one of those, bro. My mouth is still burning.
Go grab some water. Alright, we're both done drinks. Our drinks are both done.
Where my drink go?
Go grab some water.
Bro, I can't.
Yes, you can.
Bro, I got it in my eye.
Oh, yeah, dude, go put some water.
Oh. Yeah, my eye's on fire. I got the spice in my eye. Oh, nah.
Dude, put your eye up.
No, I'm not getting water in my eye.
That's how you help it.
Let me see if y'all can see. Like, bro. Oh, nah. Yeah, that's just gonna have to be a mukbang. I can't do this, bro. But now my eye's burning because I got it in my eye. Oh, nah.
You go down.
It's 5:33. We started eating these wings about, what, 20 minutes ago? And my joint is still burning, bro. 20 minutes of burn. Yeah. Not gonna lie, that blazing channel is nothing to be played with. Hey, y'all can go get one if y'all want, but I'm never getting near those again, bro. Yeah, that's cooked, bro.
I got him. I put a blazer in that joint. I put a blazer in that joint.
Nah.
I put a blazer in that joint.
That's actually devious.
He didn't even know. He didn't know. Blazing in there, he didn't even know. Y'all put a blazing in the honey barbecue. He did not know. Like, where did he go? I'm finna get the behind the scenes for you. This is pretty good. God, this pitch black down here, bro.
Oh, nah. Oh, nah.
He was messing. Yo, he turned the camera off. He started messing with the Harvard honey barbecues up. As he thought this was really a blazer. He didn't even know. I pricked him.
Nah.
I got him. I got him. I got him. Red got him. Red got him. It's a cruel world we live in.
That's actually. I took too big of a bite. Oh my god.
Everything filmed. Everything filmed. Everything's filmed. Everything's filmed. You done. You done.
Bro. I'm not gonna lie, that's gonna be the outro, bro. I'll catch y'all later. June up, man. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.